Kids these days and their porn. It must be eradicated. I'm just kidding, no. So, today we are playing Destroy the Porn. I'm still a little shook up after playing Blame. And this is a nice way to get away from it. Obviously, yeah, any guy would like to do this. Any guy. Notice the way I said guy. I'm just kidding. So, anyway, this is a pixelated game, as you can see, and we are about to play it! Yeah! Welcome to hell, Joe. Oh no! Hell? Come again? You have died and gone to hell. Is there anything I can get you? Yes! Some tea, perhaps? Fuck, this is terrible. Yes, it is. No, you're in hell. No, it's not terrible. Things have gotten much better down here. We even have a PF Chang's now. What? No, it's not that. When my poor mother goes through my stuff, she's going to find a metric ton of porn. What? Is there some way you can get me back? Well, technically yes, but it's very dangerous. What the hell, Satan? I'll do it, whatever the cost. I don't think you understand. No, I do understand. These are gracious amounts of porn we are talking about. I didn't read what it was. It might have been cretaceous. Oh, really? Leg and feet, big breast. What? Face sitting me. What? Cheerleader. What? No, you are a super icky person. Alright, look. If you can survive Hell's Labyrinth, or whatever, we'd have 1 minute back on Earth to do whatever you so desired. 1 minute is all I need. How soon can I start? Right now. Right now. Ah, no! Did he say triple fisting? What? Okay, Hell's Labyrinth. How hard can this be? Not very hard, apparently. Is there anything I can do? No, so I just gotta run. Spike traps? Really? That's all you got? Oh, bitch. Son of a bitch. Okay. Son of a bitch, you ain't got nothing on me. I'm gonna win this, and I'm gonna destroy that motherfucking porn. There's no way to jump, I'm guessing. Nope, no way to jump. What? Gotta find a way back up there. Alright, bouncy trousers. You can now jump by pressing K. Yay! Oh, I love the way he jumps. So fast and furious. I must destroy that damn dare porn. Hey, that's not fair. Let me get up there. Yeah. God dang it. It's so sensitive. Bitch. These are gratuitous amounts of porn. Oh, this game is awesome. I have nothing to say. This game is awesome. Oh, no. Aha! Must get rid of all that bestiality porn. And that triple fisting. Oh, fuck you. Oh, these bouncy trousers are a dream. That's what she said. I'm sorry. I have no idea what I just said. I'm just so caught up in this game. This game's awesome. So, no, you stay away from me, you birdies. Nobody likes your kind. Oh, son of a bitch. Fuck you. Fuck you. That's not fair. Oh shit. This game is too. Hey! That wasn't fair. Okay, so jump, down, jump. Oh, bitch, you ain't got nothing. Oh, fuck yeah, shotgun. Yeah, shotgun. This'll even the odds up a bit. Just press J to fire. Oh, yeah! And there's no ammo? Are you kidding? This is awesome! Oh, yeah. You messed with the wrong guy today! Oh, fuck. Never mind. Apparently you didn't mess with the wrong guy today. Bitch. Let's go. Fuck you. Weak-ass shotgun. Just gonna go with the old-fashioned. Ah, fuck you. Old-fashioned proness. Oh, bitch. Just go! Go, 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 go! Yeah, pro! Two pro, two pro, two pro, two pro, two pro, two pro, 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 pro! No! Two pro, two pro, two pro, two pro. This shotgun's for idiots. For idiots and doo-doo heads. No! Oh, I wasn't meant to do that, was I? Shit, shit, shit! I love this game. No! Oh! No, 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 no. Shit, 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 shit! Yeah, two pro. Oh, I'm too pro for you, and you'll never beat me, 'cause I'm too pro. Aha! Oh, fuck. It's just like, surprise, motherfucker. Yes! I'm gonna destroy that porn and I'm gonna save no one. Yeah, 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 yeah. Jump booster, pressing K will now give me a small boost. Oh, okay. Shit! It's like it's like he's doing a little I'm sorry. This game is awesome. I'm loving this game. Okay, so now shit, shit. Oh, I can destroy these. Yeah, you ain't got nothing. Aha, two pro. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. I don't remember this being here last time. Oh, so pro. So pro. Hey, let me get up here. So godlike. Boss fight, I'm guessing. Fuck you, bitch. Aha. Why didn't you double jump? Aha. Bitch. Ah. Oh. Just keep running, and they'll forget about you. That was too pro. You got to admit. Aha. Titanium Deathanium armor. Not even lava can stop me now. I'm so close to the porn. But I'm guessing spikes can. Fuck you, lava. Too pro for yo shit. Oh, hang on. I'm guessing I have to go back this way. Ah! Oh no. Oh, this game is so awesome. I can't get enough of it. This is so cool. And all for porn. Go. Bitch. Bitch. Aw, yeah. You want some of me? You want some of this? Yeah! See some of that proness? You might get that one day if you watch my videos enough. Ah, it's so pro! It's actually, I've actually started to get, oh, Oh my, you bitch! I've actually started to get side effects after getting so much pronus. It's this is hell. I'm seeing shit that no other people can see. Oh, I wasn't meant to come here, so anyway. I meant to get up there somehow. No, I was already here. What am I doing? I want a boss fight. This game is awesome. I want some kind of epic showdown. I'm guessing I have to get like a triple jump or something. Yeah, definitely some kind of triple jump. Bitch. Bitch, 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 bitch. Bitch, 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 aha! So pro, so pro, so pro. You ain't got nothing. Oh, did you see that pronus right there? You didn't. No, you didn't. So don't even say you did, because you didn't. Dang. Eternity booster. Now I can boost in air for all eternity. Are you kidding me? This is who's leaving this? This is so fucking funny. I'm loving this game. Bitch. Bitch. Oh, son of a. Oh no. Oh, fuck, it's hell. Of course someone would make this. Oh, fuck. Ah. Up we go. Up. No. Ah. Son of a bitch. Yeah. I'm not gonna change my fuck. I'm not changing my mind. Still best game ever. So much better than Call of Duty. Toilet Simulator was a better game than Call of Duty. And I haven't even made that video yet. What is this even for? No! Oh. Son of a bitch monger. You slut. Whoremonger! Ugh! Aha! Ah! I know your secrets now. Boss fight. You have done well to make it this far. Unfortunately for you, your journey ends here. I don't get it. Why are you trying to stop people from going back to Earth? Don't you have anything better to do? Nope. This is pretty much it for me, the beast, with nothing better to do. Damn it. Ah! Oh, son of a bitch. How did I survive that? Still flying. Come on! Yeah, baby. I don't need that hand to defeat you. Yeah, but you're gonna need that hand for something else. Don't move. Ah! Son of a... No! Ah, 666, really? Don't move. I shouldn't have moved last time. I would have actually survived that. What's that, bitch? Go down, die! Yes. Yes, yes, yes. We got this time. Okay, that won't happen again. Yes, it will. Okay. Don't move. Ah, son of a bitch. If only there was a way to crouch. Gotta be ready next time. Go back to your spot. So 3 times? Are you kidding me? 4 times? Break! God dang it! Yeah! What you got? What was that for? For jerk? You're the jerk. Don't call me a jerk, you jerk. Joik off. How did I survive that? Okay. Did you need that hand? Did you need that hand? Those were weighing me down anyway. Shut up. Don't fucking move. Yes! No! That didn't even get me! Okay, I've got it this time. This is the time. This is the time. I know exactly how to beat this guy now. I know exactly how to beat this guy. That hurts, damn it. Good! Damn it, I wasn't gonna survive that. I know his plan. Okay. That's right, bitch. What? You want some? You want some? Let's have some of this! Yay! Okay. Now, that hurts, damn it. You damn it. Don't damn it to me. Okay. Yeah, I'm too pro, obviously. Fuck. Goodbye, hand. Just gotta hope this next bunch of thingies. Now you die. Okay, I thought that was weighing you down anyway. Okay, just gotta hope none of them come my way. Son of a bitch, only one came my way. I'm gonna get it this time. I'm really gonna get it this time. They don't know jack. Oh, you screwed now. You screwed. I just gotta keep shooting. What was that for? For being you. Can I shoot these things? No. That was so much quicker. Okay, I've got it this time. I don't need that hand to defeat you. Yes, you do. Come on, baby. Yes! Die, bitch! Die, she bitch! Yes! Now you have defeated me. Yes, I have. Where shall I send you with my last breath? To my home in Santa Ana. As you wish. Yay! Santa Ana? Why the hell would someone want to go there? Wow. It's probably a nice place. Oh, shit. Okay, so much porn, so little time. Oh my god! That's all? No way! That is ridiculous. Why? I guess this is why. Goodbye, old friends. I guess this is why you went to hell in the first place. This is your fault. This is all the porn he has? I have more. What? I didn't say anything. Alright, I got this. You will be missed. No, you won't. God, I'm not gonna get it all gone. I'm not gonna get it all gone. Yeah! I got it done with 7 seconds to spare. Yeah. Congratulations, Joe. You have conquered Hell's Labyrinth and destroyed the beast within. How do you feel? I feel like a fucking man. Like the fucking man. So do I. That's how I always feel. What next for Joe the Destructor? Did you say something about P.F. Chang's? Oh my god. Yes, Joe. Yes, I did. Okay, that was the best freaking game I've Purple Derp Launcher. Me, Skittens, Lefty, Satan, Joe. This game is awesome. This game is going to be in the description. Drunk Devs, amazing game. Just so well made, and it's so much fun to play. I'm probably going to play this again by myself. Thank you all so much for watching. This is James56. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next video of whatever I make. This is James56 signing off. Kapow.